This is a linked list matrix. It is a two-dimensional linked list. Every node is connected to its 4 neighbors, except for those near the edges. One can travel in any direction in it. Want to know how it's made? We will go through every detail of it in this video series. This is a node, the basic building block of a linked list. It's just an empty box, of no use. So, let's add some pointers to it, which will currently point to none. These pointers will later store the address of another node. As we are making a matrix of the linked list, we will require pointers in all 4 directions: right, left, top and bottom. For now, let's store value 5 in it. Let's name it n. Let's make another node named m, and store value 10 in it. Now we have 2 nodes named n and m, but they are independent of each other. Let's make the connection. Let's point the right of n to m by the statement n.right is equal to m. Now the right element of n will store the address of m. And that's how we connect 2 nodes to make the linked list. Now, let's code the same thing. Let's begin. First, we will build the node. We will create a class named node. It will have an initialization function. This function will have a parameter named value to store the value passed to it. Also, it will contain other variables, which will later include the addresses of its neighbors. For now, they will have no or none value. Let's create the function main. Let's check if it is working fine. Yes, it is. Let's create an object of the class node and pass the value to the node as 5. Let's print the value of the object and check. It's a hexadecimal value. Let's print the value in the node as n.value. Yes, 5 is being printed. Let's check the values of its variables: right, left, top, and bottom. They are also having the value none, as specified above. Let's create another object named m, with a value of 10. Now we will attach this node to another. The right field of the node will store the address of the node m. Let's print and check. Earlier, the n.right had none value, and now it is having the address of node m. Let's check the value stored in the node m by printing n.right.value. Yes, the link between nodes is established, and the value of the node is printed successfully. Now, we have typed the code to connect nodes toward the right. To know how to connect nodes to all of its sides dynamically, through functions and loops, to make the matrix, watch the next video from this series.